Hi everyone, I'm Michelle from Michelle's Sewing Basket, and I'm reporting back to you from the Pfaff Convention in Minneapolis, America. Well, it's day 2 of the convention, or 2.5, because it actually kicked off on Sunday afternoon. We had some speeches and things like that you'd expect, and we had a sneak preview of some of the new product, a new Pfaff machine, and of course the reason why I'm here, the launch of 5D embroidery. And I have to say that I've now completed my certification, and this software is amazing. You're going to really enjoy seeing more about it when I get back to the store.
So let's have a quick look at some of the new features of 4D embroidery. So I've brought in my hoop and I've set it to the size that I want it to be, and the first thing I'm going to do is use my little wizard to create an embroidery here. And it's going to be an express embroidery. I'm going to use that one there. And I just want to tilt it a little bit so it looks kind of kooky. And everything else is just fine. So some of this will look really familiar to you. Now this is going to be designed to stitch out on a knit. Important that I tick that. And I go through and create that little embroidery. And there it is, and it's looking great, so we'll just bring it down onto our screen. Now I want to now bring in another embroidery, and I can do that another way because maybe, I don't know what I've got. So I can actually come up now and I can search for what I'm looking for, and it's going to search through all my files, and then down here I can preview and see what I'm looking at, and this is the one I want. So I can go ahead and load it just like that, get rid of that window. And so here it is, and it's looking kind of cool, but I don't want all of them. I actually just want to grab that green shoe that's here. So to do that, I'm going to come across into my edit mode, and I'm just going to quickly polygon select it. And that will select it really quite nicely. I'm going to copy that down to my clipboard, and then I want to, and then I can paste back my shoe, and there's my shoe looking really groovy and funky. I can tab to highlight my shoe and reselect it, so that's a new feature. And once I've selected it, I can do some stuff with it and bring them both into a good position here. Wonderful. And I can select the 2 of them there so that they're now one embroidery. Great. I want to put some words on this, so this is going to be a bit of a logo. And here's some more new things. Instead of having to go to a camera and open a separate window, I can now see all of my fonts right here. Voila! You see, because I have the 2 designs selected, this now goes and drops immediately centered around them. Isn't that a great new feature? We're liking that one a lot. So good. I can do some more stuff here to really dress it up a little bit. Then we're going to come back into Encore. That's right, new feature of Encore. And I'm going to have this go into a line shape. See, now instead of just circles and lines and hoop, we've got shape, but under lines we've got shapes as well. So we've got different shaped lines. And I'm going to go OK, and there it is there for me, and I'm going to just drag it down a little, and it's looking quite good, except it's way too small, so this is going to drag it out this way. Alright, and when I like it, I set it, and I can go ahead and I can save this, but before I save it, I actually want to know that it's going to fit on my shirt. And now I can see how it looks on that shirt. And I can move the shirt and plan where it needs to be. Now this is a new feature, and there it is, sitting on that shirt, looking really fantastic. And I can know exactly that it fits and that it's where it needs to be at all times. Isn't that just fantastic?
And of course, not all the classes are software classes. We have had hands-on classes.